Now, after lengthy discussion, the team agreed the following to be passed as a commitment. Out of 22 mining investors, only 9 responded and are willing to participate in the rehabilitation work. Each of the miner or contractors will take up 1 kilometer of road as follows. Kilometer 1 to 2, Hunan Road and Bridge Construction Group. 2 to 3, China Communication Construction Company, China Road and Bridge. 3 to 4, Sri Lakshmi Concrete Limited. 4 to 5, SS Mehta. 5 to 6, Surya Development. 6 to 7, China Civil Engineering Construction Company. 7 to 8, Shri Sajahan Vijay Enterprise. 8 to 9, Karsam Ramji and Sons Limited. The Jaribuni quarry owners commits to undertake the earthworks to the existing road width as follows. Shaping and compaction of the existing road to the existing road width. Dumping of quarry material of thickness of 150 to 300 mm to the existing road width. Processing and compaction of the dumped material to the existing road width. Upon the completion of the works, we request KENHA or any other government agency to complete the road to the required standards. Tunasema each of the miners and contractor will maintain their section of the road to a minimal dust point by ensuring the final layer had ballast and quarry dust where applicable. Each of the miners and contractors to ensure maximum usage of labor and manpower where applicable from the local community. That is what we meant. Watering of the various sections and effective compaction would be done for dust suppression during the works. Upon signing of the commitment by Jaribuni quarry owners, we request that the road be open to allow immediate mobilization of material machines and operation of the quarry and haulage.
What do you want immediately?
We are requesting humbly that the road be opened, because if it is open, then we can mobilize our machines. Without opening of the road, it will be quite difficult in mobilization.
We can open for you mobilization, but for the road, not to start carrying somewhere else.
So we can do both, Mheshimiwa.
We need to agree.
We can do both. Utatujibu, lakini ni humble request. That's why we called it a request. We request kwa sababu tuna hamu ya kuitengeneza barabara. Tumejifunza Mheshimiwa. Tumeshajifunza. Tunakunyenyekea Mheshimiwa. Na nataka ndio sababu niko hapa. Tunakunyenyekea. Tunasema ukifanya hivyo utakuwa umesaidia pande yote. Sisi pia ni watoto wako Mheshimiwa. We request the security team of Kilifi to provide safety. At least wakati tunaika hizo kwa barabara machines zetu ziwe safe. Na tunasema kwamba all ruhusa yote ambayo itahitajika as specified in item 3 shall be provided to Jaribuni owners for individual sections from the county government of Kilifi.
Item 3. Kasema.
Tunasema ruhusa ya kuendelea kujenga barabara. Item 3 inasema shaping and compaction of the existing road, dumping of quarry material, tutakuwa tuna dump vizuri professionally, and processing and compaction of the dumped material tunaongea juu yake. Na tunaelewa kuna wengine hapa katika sisi contractors tutapatana na mashimo makubwa, na ndio sababu hatukukwamia kusema kwamba 150 mm. Mtu anaweza maliza 150 mm ya kuweka material na alafu akutane na chimo. Kwa kweli wewe ni baba, na kama baba mimi nitasema ya kwamba mtu atasema ni huyu, ni sisi sote tulibomoa hiyo barabara ikiwa na matransporta hapo, lakini tumeungana kwa heshima na tumekuwa na adabu njema sana. Mheshimiwa, tunakunyenyekea sana sana sana, tafadhali leo tumalize. Mheshimiwa,
na mwache kutumia barabara machanjani. Mwambie transporters wenu wote, kwa lori nitashika zote.
Asante sana. Usikamate tena, usikamate vizuri mheshimiwa.
Kila barabara kama hapa hakuna sheria.
Asante sana mheshimiwa.
Mimi ndio mnaharibu barabara.
Ya pole sana. Okay, na kumalizia kabisa, tumemaliza. All quarry owners shall supervise their section during the construction.